In this video, I will show you how you can set a big clock font on the lock screen of your iPad. Now, if you want to increase the clock size on the lock screen of your iPad, first of all, just open the lock screen, then tap and hold on the empty space on the lock screen. Now just enter your lock screen pin. Now after you do that, you will go to the edit section. From here, just tap on customize. Now after you enter into this section, now to increase the lock screen clock size, just drag the clock down from the handle over here. Now as you can see, if I drag the clock down from the handle, I will increase the clock size on the lock screen, just like that. Now if the clock on the lock screen of your iPad does not have this handle, this can be happening because of two reasons. The first reason can be that your iPad is not running on iPadOS 26 because this feature is introduced in iPadOS 26. The second reason can be that you have changed the font of the clock on the lock screen. As you can see, if I change the font of the clock even to something like this, the handle at the bottom of the clock will disappear and I will not be able to increase the font size. But if I change it back to the original font, which is the first font over here, the handle will appear again and I will be able to increase the font size, just like that. Now after you increase the clock size, then just tap on done. As you can see, this is how you can increase the lock screen clock size on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.